Hello everyone, it's Tim with Tim the Poor Artist. Today, how do I start every video? I'm gonna try a flower. So I got this plate thing here, had an accident, this one that I did in the last video. The painting got destroyed. Yeah, so anyways, today I'm gonna use a white, a blue, and then this is that gold 14 karat gold color. It's kind of like a purple pinkish with a gold glaze in it. So it's going to be interesting. And then, of course, a little bit of black. I know I probably have a lot today. And then a green one. And then this is a gold metallic. This is more of a metallic color. So we're going to see what we can do with these today. And then also, I will be adding some dragon glaze. We talked about this stuff yesterday. I wasn't even sure what it was. Well, I did a little research. It's actually a clear glaze, but it has these sparklies, so it makes your colors stand out. So I will be putting that stuff in there here periodically, now and then, I guess, as I do this pour. And this stuff looks like a paste. Well, like a pouring medium, I guess. So I'll be putting a bit of that in there. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to mix it or what. Everybody I've seen that uses it either just puts it on the top of the paints that they're currently using, mix it, with their pour. And some people just put a few drops. I think I'm going to put a bit of water in there. I don't think it'll hurt it. I hope not. There's my water. Just a little bit. So it'll run better, I guess. Mix this up real quick. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to make these videos a little bit quicker. I don't want to be boring to nobody. So, alrighty. Let's get pouring. Oh, I first need to put on a base before I even do this. I hate being the new guy, because I'm always new. I'm always new at this craft. I don't know why, but I think if I'm bending down farther now, but I'm getting this backache when I do these. Okay, there we go. Now we can place this. I hope I'm in the center. That looks pretty good. Okay. I'll start with a little bit of this. Oops, sorry guys. I remember. This is the gold I'm going to start out with. Just a tidbit. And I've got this marine blue. Now I'm going to put a shot of this in there. That's that dragon stuff, okay? Supposed to cause a glaring sheen of some sort, I guess. So we'll see what it does. And this is that 14 karat gold. It looks like a mauve color to me. We'll see. I can't do this the other way, guys, because I have to use my right hand. Oof. Ooh. Oh, I see it. See the glittery look? I hope you can see that. I hope you can see that. That's going to look crazy. All right, come on. I'm really fighting with keeping my table level for some reason. Shall be interesting. How many of you people really love this art? I mean, I need to know what's happening out there. What you all think about this. So I know where I need to improve or where I need to slack off or what I need to do. Feedback is really important. I mean, be honest. If it's terrible and you can't stand it and you don't want to see it anymore, then unsubscribe. There's more of me out there. I don't know, guys. I mean, just trying to build a little bit of a business here so I can supplement. I'm on Social Security and I have a very bad back. Why it's hurting like heck right now, but I'm sure some of you can relate. Okay. I don't know yet. We've done enough yet? You know what? I haven't even made up my mind what I'm going to do with this thing, but it's really, really running that way. No need to. There we go. I think we're getting enough on here now. Right in there. And then a tidbit of off. Ooh, ah! Crap. Holy moly woly. Oh well. See what that does. Oh my gosh. Something every time. Man, I've got to work with this leveling board. Wow. Okay. You haven't picked up any debris from somewhere else. Oh boy. Here he went again. All right, let's see what happens here. My back. Sorry guys, I don't mean to complain, but it's what I deal with on a daily basis. Okay. Give it a little bit of a pat. This so scares me to do this. But you're here with me if it's successful. It's not, we just try another time. Right? That's all we can do. Okay. This corner to here. This corner to here. This corner to here. And you gotta pull these. No. Corner to there. Okay. What am I missing? What missing? This corner to here. This to here. just here, and just very carefully just go. Whoa, it worked. It worked. It worked. Wow, guys. It's my first one. Wow, I just don't want it running. Yeah, I got to do a little detailing here, that's for sure. Let me get my tool. Here's my favorite tool. I'll have to show you some of my diamond painting sometime. Okay. Let's wow, this is so delicate looking. Isn't that just gorgeous? Wow. They look like they're turning over. Oh, that's gorgeous. You see the sheen from that color? Oh, I'm excited, guys. This is beautiful. I can do some adding to this too. I don't know. This is pretty incredible. Look at that. Wow. Should we give it a little spin to spread it out a little bit? Look at that. Woohoo! Wow. I just pray that it dries. Good. I have to. Wow. Very beautiful. Okay, let me pause this and I'm going to let you see it up close. Then I'm going to get it onto the drying table quickly so it'll stay level and won't run anymore. Okay, hold on. Okay, here we go. Oh my. You see the glitter? I mean, I think it'll show up more as we dry, but oh, I am liking this. They look like butterfly wings. Maybe it'll be a hummingbird. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Thank you for watching. Again, if you found this video useful and informative, then please, if you haven't yet, subscribe. Give me that thumbs up. That really helps boost them out there. And I thank you for your support. Give me a nice comment. I mean, just let me know what you think. What do you think? I need to know some comments here. All right. Thank you, guys. God bless.